New for 2022 is the Vangear Woody-Pod campervan pod. It's the bigger brother of our ever popular mini pod. So we've got the same stove clip that we have on that, so the stove can be fixed to the top. And then we have the same cordless tap. So then we have a small door there, and the same table door on the front there. So the lid's stored inside there. And the door table can be attached to the front of the unit. This is for somebody who wants a slightly larger unit than the versatile mini pod. So the Woody, this unit here, comes in 2 boxes. So all of our other units, including the mini pod, are fully assembled. But the Woody comes in 2 boxes in 2 sections. That's so that we don't have to send it out on a pallet. We can home deliver it to your home in boxes. So in a minute, I'll show you the 3 stages of pulling it together. So the Vangear Woody-Pod comes in 2 boxes. This is one box, and these other items are in the other box. So it's assembled in 3 easy stages. So you need a flat table. So you put the main pod on the table, and then with a range of very simple tools and the screws that are supplied. So you've got 5 flange screws, some 35mm screws, 2 with a cut that go on the rear, and a self-tapping screw. So stage 1, put that on the table, and then the end panel simply slots in. So with a level table, that slots in there, and then with 5 flange screws, push it fully in. They've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So next stage is to fit the top, the base and the shelf in that order. So first of all, this is the shelf, goes in there. Just remove the aluminium one. There you go. So the top. We drop the top in. So you know when it's right, because this cut up will line up with that there. So I drop that in. And then that will align there. And you can see it's lined up round there. Check it's all nice and straight. And then two 35mm screws go up through these 2 screws here. 1, 2. So then the base goes in. So the base is already pre-fitted with the feet. So you put that in like this. Push that down. Push it to the end. Make sure it's straight. So 4 35mm screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we've got the shelf. So this hole's on the left, this hole here is for the hose. So we put it in like this, put it in vertically, underneath here, and then on top of the bracket here, and underneath this wood here. Then you may need to just edge it up there. So that pulls it up here, so that goes against there. Make sure it's fully to the left. So I've got two 35mm screws up. Two on the rear. With the cups on these ones, just to make it look. Again, with all these screws, don't over tighten. No need to go mad. So then the aluminium goes back in, which you took off earlier. That goes in there. So you line it up to there. Obviously the holes should line up. And then one last screw goes in this hole that holds the front on. With this hole, don't over tighten, because if you over tighten it too much, you'll pull that in. Right. Best to do this up really loosely with a hand screwdriver. And that's the door. So then you've got the leg which goes in here, and you can use this Velcro tie to stop it rattling. You've got the two water bottles, waste there, water there. The waste hose goes on there. Feed the water hose up through the hole, through the top of the unit. And here we have the cordless tap, which remember to recharge using a USB. So the hose clips onto the bottom. Twist that into place. You then have a clip which is attached on the underside, which could be used to fix, if you want to fix your stove into place. So we have the generic type of campervan stove. This one's the Decathlon one, I think. So you drop that in place. No, first of all, this goes on the other side. So this goes on the other side there. And it's sandwiched. So this cross piece is sandwiched in the clip. And then just tighten it up with the wing nuts on the underside. Once you've positioned it, to give even clearance here and clearance so you can open the side. Tighten that up. There's your stove. The table door goes on the front. And to fix it, you can see the two slots on the inside there. So you either use the supplied bolts to fix it down to the floor, or we do have a range of anchor cleats for vans such as the VW, Citroen and the Mercedes Touring. There you go. Vangear Woody-Pod.